Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to edit your Shopify Dawn theme footer, and it will be a complete beginner video. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are already landed in our Shopify dashboard panel, or you can see it is the admin panel, and here if you see the online store, then you will find out the underneath of this main store called themes, and here you can see we already installed our DOM theme, and this is the current theme. If you view the front end design of our website, here you will get this kind of a result as you can see it. And there is a no footer actually we have, so we are going to add a footer over that place. So how we can do it? The process is really simple. So we are going to create our customize and footer on our DOM theme. So let's go and try some example. So that will be pan e-commerce. Let's search it here, and let's find out some of website we are going to recreate. Gucci, let's search it, and let's go and visit it. Let's see how was there. Okay, let's cross it. Yeah, I think this footer is really amazing. So we are going to recreate this footer. So let's come to our website and try to click on customize. As you can see it in the customize option, just click over here. Once you click over here, they will give you the options to customize your whole theme. So here you can see in our footer, as you can see, there's a nothing. Let's hide it, and you can see it that these things are available in our footer. So let's go and let's try to add something on our footer. First of all, we're going to create our footer similar kind of this one. That's why I'm going to add in sections, and let's try to click on add. So okay, click on footer. No, there is no footer. So I am going to add a couple of blocks over here, or we can change the footer. If I click over here, you will get the options called color scheme. So I'm going to make it black. So here you can see the color has been changed. So here we have this option called email sign up. If you want to remove it, just disable this one. In this way it will be disable. It's totally up to you. So right now I'm going to disable it. Then you can see the next one is utilities. So here follow on shop, this one, let's hide it. As you can see it, the results, social media icons, there's no social media icons we have. Then the country, region, sector, then language selector, we don't have any. Then here you can see this is the spacing, then padding and bottom and many things. Then click on theme setting. Here if you paste some link, just copy this one and let's paste it here. Then you will see that our Facebook will become over here. As you can see it, this way you can add your Facebook over here. Similarly, we have a couple of other social media platforms where we are allowed to add it here. Then you can add custom CSS also in that place. Then if you click on add block, you can add text, image, menus too in this footer. So let's start from the scratch. So in this footer we are going to add a couple of things. That will be social media links. Just copy facebook.com. So this one will be facebook.com. I will copy it and paste it here. Then similar with Instagram, just copy it, paste it here. So here you can see the changes will be visible in here. If you want to add any heading, Facebook, let's see what happened when we paste Facebook over here. So here you can see the heading reveal section on scroll. Okay, let's save it and let's try to preview it on our plan. Just click on Shopify and then click on login. So the process is really simple. You just need to explore all the things, then you will get an idea how you can customize all the things over here. So here you can see our Facebook has been come over that place. So similarly, you can add one by one all social media in here. Then you can add custom CSS. So here we have this spacing top, then many thing email sign up. If I enable it, as you can see it, our email sign up is become in the seated on the left. Let's click this three dot button. So here you can see that code hide, you can hide it. So I will leave it this way and then try to add menu. Just select menu and here you can see quick link has been added, and this one is footer menu. So I'm going to click on edit. Once I click over here, then it will redirect me to this place. So here I'm going to add couple of link. That will be home, and then hit enter, home page. Then click on this button. Similarly, adding couple of other about us, and then similarly we are going to copy and paste our blog post. So we don't have any about us page, that's why I'm going to select a random one, then click on save. And once you click over here save, then come back to this page and refresh it. And as you can see, when I click on this button, it has been refreshed, and here eventually we will see the changes over that place. Just click one, then click on add block, click on menu, and now here you can see that our menu has been come over here. Then if you want to add another block, just choose this one, and here you can add text. As you can see, similarly as you can see, our text sign up for Gucci partner. So I am going to add the heading, then copy this whole text here and paste it here. And you can see here we have this option. If you want to remove it, then move to previous position. If you click over here, as you can see, it has been changed. Then here you can see it. If you want to change it with this search, you can do it too. So here you have these options to change it how you want to show on your website. So let's go and let's try to add another block, that is image. So let's go and try to upload an image. Okay, this image will be far more better, and I think this one in the left, it's okay. So now here if you add further more social icon, then it will be look good. Then come back to these sections. Is there have any options to add any section? Yeah, we can add email sign up. Here you can see subscribe to your emails. You can just delete all the things if it is not needed or necessary for you. Then email form, as you can see it, you can drag it drop here if it is possible. Yeah, not possible. Text, yeah, it's possible, that's why it has been come. So in this way you can change many things. Here you can see we have these options called button. You can change it, though there is a problem I'm facing, that to touch, but you can touch it from that place. Just click on add block, brand informations, and you can see this is the brand informations. Then click on plus button again and click on menu, and now here you can see that our one has been added. As you can select one by one particular options. So here you can see you can add this, you can enable it and disable it if it is needed. So I hope you understand how easy the procedure is to create a footer and customize it. I hope now you understand how you can do it your work. So it is now good to go with this panel. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.